Now let's look at application of pesticides. We've got several different ways we can put them on. We can put them on from the air. We can put them on from the ground. We can put them on through a fogging apparatus. We can put them on in low volume. Each one of these depends on what equipment we've got, what's the easiest way to put this material down. There are a lot of different application type materials here. This shows you a crop duster. This is an aircraft that is fitted with nozzles on the back of the wing. As you're flying along at a rather rapid speed at not too great a height, what happens is you plop the sprayer on, it sprays out the material in these tiny droplets. You can't do this if you've got much wind. This is a very unique method. Depending on where you're doing it at, it may be the only method that makes any sense. This is a cornfield in Florida that's being sprayed. You've got this huge rig driving down the corn rows. It's got this huge boom going out to the side, covering this huge area. It will drive down to the end of the row and turn around and spray the entire cornfield. If you look close up, you see that there are nozzles. They're spraying out the material. They're going to spray it in between the corn rows. They've got, on each space for nozzles, they've got two nozzles, one shooting up higher, one shooting down lower. You've got to make sure that they're all in the right spot. This is a specialized application on a railroad track. These people are applying herbicide. They're trying to keep the vegetation from encroaching onto the railroad track. This is a sprayer that's in an orchard. What you see is the fan in there. The fan picks up the material. It blows the air over these nozzles that are trained up at the tree. It shoots that material upwards. These guys are putting down a fumigant. At the same time, they are covering it up with a plastic type material. You can tell this material is toxic because these guys have respirators on. This is a unique way of being able to apply a pesticide. This is a low volume type. This is often used for insect control. This is actually a type of fogger. The pesticide is suspended in an oil solution. Gasoline is burnt in this part in the back. As it does that, it creates a tremendous amount of pressure on the inside of this as well as temperature. The material that's in the oil form is injected into this column, which vaporizes it into tiny little droplets that float off as a fog. Many times they use this for things like mosquito control. I have seen it used for application of fungicide in an area where they really couldn't get into well. They could drive down the roads and they could allow this stuff to float in on the plants. This is an ultra low volume electrostatic type precipitator. This creates a negative ion on the material, which attracts it to the plants. It will get picked up very quickly by the plants. When we look at application of pesticides, a lot of different ways that we can do this. Some of them are very interesting.